I'm so sick and tired sometimes of using a socket wrench. If you have never gotten your hands on a cordless socket wrench, you've been missing out. I missed out for years. This is a 3/8 inch, whoops, 3/8 inch socket wrench. Got a little lockout switch. Torquey little bugger. It's great, right? Feels good in the hand. Easy to switch back and forth. Easy to switch back and forth. My favorite thing about this is the batteries. So these batteries, A, tell you an exact percentage of charge, but B, recharge on USB-C. C in and out. So you could use this as a battery bank if you need to recharge something else. USB-A in. But it's just a regular charger. You don't have to have a proprietary charger to work this thing. I also like that they're kind of slim. They slip right onto the handle. So they're not sticking out any farther than your hand. So for me, this thing is just an absolute winner, especially for the price. The price you pay for this, you couldn't even get just a bare tool from other companies. So, yep, this one to me is a winner. 20 volt, WORKPROX, cordless, battery-powered socket wrench with a lockout so you don't accidentally turn this thing on when it's in your toolbox. Love it.